Great rainforests stretch around the equator, covering large parts of Central and South America, Central Africa, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia. These forests are the most complex ecosystems in the world and contain a wealth of resources. Despite their importance, though, they are being destroyed at an alarming rate.
All rainforests have a similar structure with 5 main layers, each with its own specific plant and animal life.
Emergent layer, made up of a few of the tallest trees which rise to 10 to 15 metres above the mass of the greenery below. From here, harpy eagles and other birds of prey watch alertly for the animals which they feed.
Canopy, 30 to 40 metres above the ground and some 10 metres thick. This is a continuous green roof formed by the interlinking leaves and branches of the treetops. Most of the forest's many plants and animals are found here, taking advantage of abundant sunshine.
Understory, made up of the tops of smaller trees that receive less light, like palms, and of younger trees struggling to reach upwards. Much sharper than the canopy is as it has its own community of plant and animal life.
Consisting of shrubs and small trees, this layer depends on sunlight penetrating the upper layers. If none reaches here, both this and the herb layer will be spares. When a gap appears at the canopy, sunlight reaches the lower regions, causing the shrub layer and herb layers to grow rapidly.
Herb layer. Ferns and herbs making up a layer of undergrowth. Exclusive brand dewars like the tuber live down here along with many insects.